Hello, this is YZ. Today I'm going to talk about the malicious ComfyUI nodes that were revealed a few days ago. These are the names of the malicious nodes. When one of these custom nodes is added to a workflow and executed, it runs a script called autoscale.py. If you look inside autoscale.py, it calls two functions, copy self and fly me to the moon. If you examine the copy self function, it copies itself into the app data folder as a file named displayupdater.exe. And if you look at the fly me to the moon function, it downloads Python from somewhere and injects a large number of values into an environment variable named Realtek Audio, then executes it. As a result, malware called Akira Stealer is executed. Akira Stealer is capable of stealing information from browsers, Discord, crypto wallets, and cloud services. The stolen information is then uploaded to a site called gofiles.io. If this malware has been executed, changing all stored passwords as quickly as possible is far more important than simply deleting the malicious code. Now I'll explain how to check whether you've been affected. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog, then type %appdata% to enter the appdata folder. Once inside the appdata folder, click the three dots on the side, go to Options, then View, and enable Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. And uncheck Hide Protected Operating System Files, then click OK. If the malicious script has been executed, you will see a file named displayupdater.exe. Next, go to the Linux folder and follow the path Ubuntu, Home, your username, AI, ComfyUI, custom nodes, and check inside the folder. You must verify whether even one of the three custom nodes shown earlier is installed. If any of those custom nodes are present, or if displayupdater.exe is found in the appdata folder, you should immediately change all passwords for websites, Discord, cloud storage services, crypto wallets, and related accounts. Additionally, it is recommended to reset your system or run multiple antivirus tools offline to remove the malware. Thank you for watching.